Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the door. Change your Instagram password immediately to a long, unique passphrase that you have not used elsewhere. Once done, turn on two-factor authentication and choose an authenticator app for stronger codes instead of SMS. Next, check login activity and remove any sessions or devices you do not recognize. Make sure to revoke access for suspicious locations. These steps cut off live access and force attackers to re-authenticate, which stops most ongoing intrusions quickly. Once the account is locked, verify your recovery info. Confirm the email and phone number on file belong to you, and change their passwords if needed so recovery tokens cannot be intercepted. Then review and revoke third-party app access. Unauthorized apps can reintroduce access, so remove anything unfamiliar. Also check linked Facebook or external accounts and unlink any integrations you do not recognize. By cleaning recovery methods and integrations, you prevent attackers from bypassing your new credentials. Finish by tightening monitoring. Enable login request notifications and review your recent activity regularly so you spot issues early. If you cannot access your account, follow Instagram's Get Help logging and flow, provide identity verification quickly, and respond to their prompts. This speeds recovery. Finally, generate backup codes, store them offline, and adopt a password manager to create and autofill strong credentials. If something still goes wrong, contact Instagram support and keep a record of dates and screenshots to aid escalation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.